Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add an image in Jotform. This is a fantastic way to make your forms more visually appealing and professional, whether you're creating surveys, contact forms, or registration pages. Let's jump right in and get that image added. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log in with your credentials. Enter your username and password to access your Jotform account. This will take you to your main dashboard where all your forms are managed. Now look to the upper left corner of the page and click on My Workspace. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there select My Forms. This section displays all the forms you've created and gives you quick access to them. It's essentially your form library where everything is organized. Next, click on Create Form in the upper left of the page. You'll be presented with several options for starting your form. For this tutorial, select Start from Scratch and then choose Classic Form. This gives you a blank canvas to work with, allowing you to build your form exactly how you want it without any preset templates. In the left panel, you'll see an option labeled Add Element. Click on it and scroll down through the available elements until you find Image. Once you spot it, you can either click on it or drag it directly onto your form. This action places an image placeholder in your form where you can now upload your actual image file. After adding the image element, click on the gear icon, which represents the Properties button. This will open up the Image Properties panel on the right side of your screen. Here's where you'll customize everything about your image. In the Properties panel, click on Choose a File, then click Upload File. A file browser window will open up, allowing you to navigate through your computer's folders. Select the image file you want to add to your form, then click Open. Your image will upload and appear in the form. Now, before you adjust the width and height of your image, there's an important step. Click the lock button that sits between the width and height fields. This lock ensures that when you change one dimension, the other adjusts proportionally, maintaining your image's aspect ratio and preventing distortion. With the lock engaged, you can now adjust the width by typing in your preferred number. As you do this, the height will automatically adjust to keep the image proportions correct. If you prefer, you can also manually type a specific number for the height. If you want to add alternative text to your image, which is great for accessibility and SEO purposes, click on Advanced in the Properties panel. Here you can type in descriptive text that explains what the image shows. This helps users who rely on screen readers and also provides context if the image fails to load. Finally, click Preview Form at the upper right of the page to test how everything looks. This preview shows you exactly what your form visitors will see, allowing you to make any final adjustments before publishing. And there you have it, you've successfully added and customized an image in your Jotform. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.